Hi, this is Sal Ferrara from the Electrical Training Center, and I'm the owner of the school. I want to welcome everybody to the July 29th virtual conference. It'll be on from 2 o'clock to 6 p.m. Um, we'll be hosting, like I said, a conference for both electrical and heating and air conditioning and refrigeration. In this conference, we'll be including an open house for prospective students that be interested in coming to the school. We'll also have active and alumni students that might want to be interested in seeing manufacturers, contractors, and associations. We'll also have meet the staff, which you'll meet people such as the assistant director of school, Robert McLaughlin, Kimberly Rastelli, admissions, Sal Ferrara Jr., who handles financial aid, and Kallie, Chris, who does the job placement with Kelsey, and other staff and members of the team. What we'll be doing is, I will be teaching a class on the 2017 NEC, a little up to date and what maybe 5 or 6 of the most important changes there are in the NEC. And I'll also be doing something, if you're interested, in how to become a master electrician, what it takes to become a licensed electrical contractor. So these are the things that we'll be teaching in the conference. At the virtual conference, we'll have a lot of people, a lot of different, like I said, contractors, manufacturers, associations, staff, students, alumni, active and new prospective students. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and have a great day and be safe.